In this tutorial today, I am going to show us how to derive the formula of time of flight of a projectile. So watch this video till the end. I am going to take you through step by step. Before we dive in, please support my channel by subscribing and liking this video. Let's dive in. Assuming this is the projectile. So time of flight is the time required for a projectile to return to the same level from where it is projected. This is where the projectile is projected. So the time it takes the projectile to return to the same level from where it is projected is called time of flight. So it's what we are going to derive its formula. Recall, at this level where the projectile is projected, S is 0 and the vertical component of initial velocity uy equals to u sine theta and g equals to and a acceleration equals to minus g, and then t equals to capital T. We are going to use the equation of uniformly accelerated motion to derive this formula. We are going to use s equals to ut plus half at squared. Let's substitute this into this equation and get it. S is 0. 0 equal to u is u sine theta, u sine theta, and t is this, capital T, plus 1 over 2, then a equals to minus g, and t equals to capital T, t squared. So that's it. Our equation will further become 0 equals to u sine theta t plus 1 over 2 multiplied by minus g multiplied by t square will be minus 1 over 2 g t squared. And then the equation will further become half g t squared equals to u sine theta t. So now we want to make t subject of the formula. We will cancel its coefficient. So let's divide both sides by the coefficient of t, which is g. Half g t squared equals to u sine theta t. Divide both sides by g and t is squared also, so let's divide by t to cancel t. G cancel g, t cancel t, t will remain, and then this t also cancel this t. We will have 1 over 2 t. Since this t cancel t, 1 over 2 t equals to u sine theta divided by g. And now we will go ahead and cancel this 1 over 2 by multiplying line by 2. 2 multiplied by 1 over 2 t equals to 2 multiplied by u sine theta divided by g, so that 2 cancel 2, we will have t equals to 2u sine theta divided by g. So this is the formula of time of flight. So thank you for watching this video.